Hey, welcome back everybody. I am Dean from Scenescapeshop. This is your Coffee Break Thursday, the first Coffee Break Thursday of 2021. Happy New Year. What did you get for Christmas, by the way? I got a coffee machine. Anyway, today I thought we'd do a winter snowscape. It's snowing outside and I thought we could do a nice easy winter landscape. I was asked at the tail end of last year in a couple of the Facebook art groups that I'm in about the flick technique that I use for snow. So we're going to do that today. I'm going to photograph the painting before I put the snow effect on. This will give me the opportunity to make two prints so people can either choose the non-snow or the snow effect. But yeah, as I say, nice easy picture to kick the year off. There's going to be mountains in it because, you know, new year, old me, and I do like my mountains. That being said, folks, pop that kettle on, make yourself a coffee or another coffee. Put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
But baby, it's cold outside.
Okay, so nice easy picture. As you see, it's a pre-prepared black gesso canvas, and all I've done is mix some Prussian blue with some Van Dyke brown on the canvas, and then just blended in some cloud cover using titanium white. That moon is just titanium white. And now I'm just putting in the mountains area. I'm using that same Van Dyke brown and Prussian blue paint, and we're going to scrape it off just now. And what we'll use is titanium white for the highlights, and as usual, we'll just mix a bit of blue in with that titanium white to make the shadow areas of the mountains. You'll notice on the bottom of the canvas as well that I've just popped the same effect that I've used in the sky for the clouds. That's just the reflection. We're going to have a frozen lake on there. I'll put that detail in later. We're bearing in mind where the moon is and where it's shining for the highlights of the mountains here. So I'm putting the highlights in first, and then I'll use the Prussian blue mixed with the titanium white to make the shadow areas. You can, if you want, just leave the mountain areas dark, the shadow areas dark. But I like to fill in the other side of the mountains, the darker sides, with the blue. It just makes it stand out for me. Just gives it a more 3D effect. Next up, we're going to use some trees in the distance at the foot of the mountains, and then we'll pull it forward to the frozen lake. Nice, easy painting to kick off the new year. All I use for the foreground, the bushes on the foreground here is liquid white. With it being a thinner paint, it sticks to the thicker paint. So that gives you the individual effect of the branches and the ice on each of the leaves. We'll sign this off, and like I say, we'll photograph the picture without snow, and then we'll do it with snow. The snow flick effect, I just use my palette knife to flick the paint from the brush, liquid white again, onto the canvas. You can use your thumb as well, which I'll show you. Thank you once again for joining me, folks, and I'll see you next time.